Hey there, YouTube creators. Are you just starting your journey and wondering how many videos should I upload each week? You are not alone. It is one of the biggest questions for new YouTubers. And today, we are diving deep into the perfect upload strategy for beginners. Whether you are aiming for rapid growth or want to balance your YouTube with your life, I have got you covered. So grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First thing first, why is uploading frequency such a big deal? Well, the more videos you upload, the more chances you have to be discovered by viewers, both old and new viewers. 2. Improve your video making skills. 3. Understand what works on your channel. Yes. Think of YouTube as a giant ocean of content. Each video you upload is like casting another fish into that ocean. More lines in the water, higher chances of catching fish, or in this case, you are going to get views and subscribers. But here is the catch, no pun intended. You also don't want to burn yourself out. So what is the sweet spot? Stick around because we are about to break it down. So my question is, how many videos should you upload as a beginner? The golden rule is between 1 to 3 videos per week. Let me explain why this range works so well. First, if you are uploading one video for the week, see, this is how it works. If you are busy with school, work, or other commitments, you have just one high quality video a week is totally fine. It gives you enough time to plan, shoot, edit, and promote without feeling overwhelmed. Yes. Now, if you are choosing to upload 2 videos for the week, now this is how it works. For creators who can dedicate a bit more time, 2 videos a week is a sweet spot. It keeps your channel active and gives your audience more content to engage with. If you are the type of content creator that want to stay consistently by uploading 3 videos for the week, if you are all in on YouTube and want to grow on this platform very fast, 3 videos, at least 3 videos can supercharge your channel. But you need to ensure your quality doesn't drop. I mean, you need to ensure that your content's quality doesn't drop. 3 poorly made videos won't help you grow as much as 1 or 2 well-crafted ones. I don't know if you are getting me. I mean, if you are making a 3 poorly videos, it will not help you grow fast on YouTube. In as much as you can make a well-crafted 1 or 2 videos. Now, let's tackle the age-old YouTube debate. Quality versus quantity. It is tempting to think if I upload every day, I will grow faster. But trust me, that is not always true. You see, YouTube rewards content that keeps viewers engaged. That is what you need to know. Not just content that exists. One great video that people watch all the way through is worth more than 5 videos with low watch time. So if you are choosing between uploading more frequently or taking time to polish your videos, always prioritize quality over quantity. Your audience will thank you for it, and so will the YouTube algorithm also thank you for making a quality videos. Now, how are you going to plan your upload schedule? I mean, how to plan your upload schedule as a content creator. Here is how you can plan your upload schedule as a beginner. First, assess your availability. I mean, how much time can you realistically dedicate to YouTube each week? Be honest with yourself. Yes, I mean, how much time can you dedicate on YouTube platform each week? Just be honest with yourself. How available can you be on YouTube? The second one is batch create content. What do you mean by batch create content? If possible, film and edit multiple videos in one go. I mean, you can film and edit multiple videos in one day or in one week just to stay consistency. It saves time and reduces stress. Okay. The third one is set consistent upload days. Pick specific days to upload, like every Tuesday or Friday, or every Thursday or Monday, depending on the one you want to go through. Okay. Consistency builds trust with your audience and helps the YouTube algorithm to push your videos very fast. Then the fourth one is evaluate and adjust. I mean, after a month, review your progress. Are you growing? Like, review whether you are growing on your channel from the videos you are making. Are you feeling overwhelmed? Adjust your schedule accordingly. This is how you are going to plan your upload schedule and stay consistent as a YouTube content creator on this platform. Now, in the whole of this, we want to know why consistency is the key. Why is consistency the key and the king? I have said it countless times in this channel. Here is a little secret. YouTube success is not just about how many videos you upload. It is about consistency. I didn't mean uploading every day. When you stick to a regular schedule, your audience know when to expect your new content. And the YouTube algorithm will take note of that. That is why you need to stay consistency on this YouTube platform so that you can earn, so that you can keep your community engaged. Think of it like planting a seed. Each video is like a seed. If you water them regularly, that is consistency, right? They grow into a thriving channel. But if you upload sporadically, it is like forgetting to water your plants. And nobody wants a withered YouTube channel, right? Before we wrap it up, let's talk about a few common mistakes beginners make with their upload schedules. One, burning out. That is the biggest challenges beginners or new YouTubers make. They learn to burn out. Burning out. Don't try to upload daily. You don't need to upload 247. If it is not sustainable, if it is not comfortable, if it's not conducive for you, burning out is real and it can derail your YouTube journey. If you don't know it today.
Want to talk to me?
If
Talk
you're
to me
uploading
direct. Don't go through the
247
corner.
and you are getting burning out, you will derail on your YouTube journey. Yes. The second thing is ignoring analytics. I'll be dropping the screenshot here or here. Pay attention to your data. If one video a week is performing better than 3 videos, adjust your strategies. That is it. That is the simple way to grow on YouTube. It's not about posting because Vibe with Sonia posted, because Glory C posted, because this posted, because I posted. You are killing yourself just to post. Okay? Understand your YouTube analytics. That is it. That is simple as ABCD. Number three, sacrificing quality. Never let the rush of upload compromise your video quality. I mean, never let the rush to upload your videos compromise the quality of your videos. Always ask, would I watch this? Would my viewers find this video interesting? Are they going to click my videos? That is what you need to have on your back your head. You don't need to rush just to upload. At the end, you are ignoring your video quality. It will make you not to grow fast on YouTube. Please just take your time and upload your videos. Take your time to film, edit, and promote your videos. Yes, don't rush. Don't be at the last minute filming. Don't be at the last minute uploading because hey, it's Sonia Bible Sonia is uploading by 10 o'clock and I'm getting late to upload. You rush and upload without knowing the quality of your videos. Yes. The fourth one is skipping promotion. Yes. Uploading is not enough. Share your videos on social media. I didn't mean sharing links. So please do not share your YouTube links. Do not share your video links. I mean, share your videos on social media. Engage with your comment and build a community. Yes. So my question is, how many videos should a YouTube beginner upload each week? Start with 1 to 3. Start with 1 to 3. Focus on quality and be consistent. Remember, YouTube is a marathon and not a sprint. Find a schedule that works for you because I have found a schedule that worked for me. Yes, you stick with it and watch your channel grow over time. And that is where we are going to draw the curtain of today's video. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And hey, let me know in the comment section below, how many videos do you plan or do you intend uploading this week? How many videos do you want to be uploading this week? I'd love to hear about your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.